student. I am tutor of Genius School. My name is Anita Nirmal. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2, place value. Our first topic is place value. When you have to underline the place value, how to underline and what number we have to underline. Okay. So today I am going to teach you about that. If I write 100 tens and ones over here, and I will give the number 4, 2, 5. So from abacus I am going to teach you. Here is the abacus, a spike abacus, and here is the bits. Okay. Now we have to look after the 100 place. What is given in 100 place? Here given 4. So you can see over here. Here written 100. This is a spike of tens and this is a spike of ones. Okay. In that spike I will put on the bits. In 100 place it is given 4. So I put on the bits over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I kept on 4. Okay, so it become 400. Okay, 100 place is 4, so it become 400. Now what is in tens place? Tens place it is given 2. So I will put on in tens here written, I have written tens. So this is a spike of tens. So I will put on 2 bits over here. Then in one place how many bits were there? 5. So in one place I have to put 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when if I underline here, so what is 5? 5, what is 5? 5 is ones. So how to write 5? So I will write directly 5. I write directly 5. Now if I want to write 2, 2, 3 and if I underline over here, okay, in 100 place how many were there? 2. I remove this 2. So 2 bits were there, 1 and 2. 2 bits were there. Then in tens place 2. Already tens 2 were there. And in ones place 3 were there. So this was 2. So underline is given on 2. Okay, 100 place. So how many were there? 2. But what is here written? 200. So what you have to write? 200. And if you want to make easy, much more easy, what you have to do? You have to see backside how many digits were there. 1 and 2. So you have to put on 2 0 over here to make it 200. Okay. You have to cut this. When you are writing, you have to put on 2 0. Okay. Okay. Related to place value, one more. We can make a box over here. We can make like this box. And if I want to write 2, 4, 6. Now I want to write ones place, I want to find ones place, tens place and 100 place. How should I find? I should write like this, I make arrow and write ones. First one is ones. Then I will write tens. And this one is 100. You can write like this also. You can find this answer like this also. And both way you can write it. 1. So 6 ones you can say 6. If you want to write 4 tens, how should you write 4? 0, 40. And in 100, how should you write? 200. This is a simple way. One more example I am showing you. By doing this spike abacus over here, I have shown already, I have shown you spike abacus. But I am doing over here also the same thing. Here, I have drawn a spike abacus. Okay, here I have written H, P, O. Now you have to put on 2, 4, 6. Means 2 in 100 place. So I will draw 2 bits over here. 4. So 4 bits on tens place. And 6 bits on ones place. 3, 4, 5 and 6. I put. Now I underline 4. So how many 4 is there? 4 is tens. So how to write 4 tens? So 40. 4 tens. You have to look after here. After 4, how many digits were there? Only 1 digit. So you have to put on 1 0. Our fourth topic is greatest number. What is greatest number? If I write 5, 6, 7, it's 567, then I will write 576, then 566. So I want to find greatest number. How should I find it? Okay, now I will underline it. Here is 5, here is 5, here is 5. The easy method I am teaching you. Then I have done one line over here. Now here I have to do 2 lines because I have taken second one. Here is 6, here is 7, here is 6. So which one is greatest? 7 is greater. You can circle it. So 576 is greater. Now second example. 657, 877, 675. Okay, now again you have to underline here. In 100 days, 6 is over here. Here is 8 and here is 6. So which one is greatest? 8 is greatest. So you have to circle over the greatest number. Okay. Now our fifth topic is smallest number. What is smallest number? Smallest means small one. Which one is small? Okay. So smallest number. If I take 201, 210, 211. Okay, now I want to find smallest number. Then again I have to do same as whatever I had done in greatest number. I will underline the 100 place. Here is 2, here is 2 and here is also 2. Now here 0, here is 1 and here is 1. So which come first? 0. So you can circle the smallest number 201. Our sixth topic is ascending number. What is ascending number? Ascending numbers. You are moving upstairs. While you are moving upstairs, that is ascending. You are moving ascending. Okay? Ascending means moving upstairs. But while you are moving downstairs, that is descending number. Descending number. Okay? Ascending means moving upstairs. Descending means you are moving downstairs. If I put on over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And I will unscramble that number. I will write over here 4, 2, 0, 1. How should I make ascending? Okay? So what comes first? 0 comes first. I will put on 0 first. Then what comes second? 1. I will put on. Then 2. 3 is not there. In this 3 is not there. Then I will jump over and look after there. What is there after 3? 4. So I will put on 4. This is known as ascending number. One more example I am showing you. That is of 100 days. 405, 476, 456, 467. Now this is easy method. I am showing you how to find ascending number. Okay? So here is 4. You have to look underline 4, 4, 4. All were 4. Now how to find it? If you are not knowing the numbers properly, then how to find it? You have to look after the second digit. 10's place 0 is here is 7, here is 5 and here is 6. Which one is smaller? 405. So directly write it 405. You have to find the smaller number. Okay, then you have to cut it. Okay, now second one. Which one is smaller? Which one is greater than 0? Then 5 is greater than 0. You have to write it 456. Cut over it. Now you have to look after 5. What is greater than 5? 6 is greater. You can write 467. Cut off. And then lastly whatever is remaining 476. So ascending number, first you have to look up, find the smaller number, then greater, greatest, greatest. Okay? Our next topic is descending number. Descending number, I have told you that descending number means when we are going downstairs, that is descending number. Okay? If I write over 401, 462, 111, 121 is 121, 401, 462, 111 and 121. Now I want to find descending order. What you have to do? First again the same thing, 400 place you have to underline. Which one is greatest? Okay, 4 is greater, but 2 4 were there. Then you have to find second digit. Here is 6 and here is 0. So what you have to take? You have to take greatest number. So greatest is 6. So you have to first write 462. Cut now 2 ones were there. So you have to look after the tens place. Here is 1, here is 2. So which one is greatest? 2 is greatest. So you have to write 121, correct? And then you have to write 111. Now one more example I am showing you. If I write 101, 110, 121, 112. If you are knowing directly, you can write it directly. Okay? You are knowing that 101 is coming first, 102 is there, 103 like that. So first we are taking 121, which one is greatest? So I will write 121, greatest number. Then what comes after this? 111, 112, and then 112 after 110, and then 101. You have to look after the before number. When you are writing descending order, you have to look after the before number, and when you are writing ascending order, you have to write after number. Our second topic is expanded form. As you are learned in first chapter, you have learned what is expanded form. Same here. First expanded form. Okay, if I want to expand means you have to expand it. Okay, now how to expand it? If I write 4, 1 and 2, I want to expand it. So I will first of all like this it is given. Right? So what is here? This is 100 place, 10 place and 1 place. Again 4 is there, I will put here, abacus is there, I will put 4 bits over here, so it becomes 400 because 100 bits in 100 spike I had put on, so 400. Then in 10 place how many bits were there? 1. So what should I write over here? 10, because 1 tensor is 10. Okay, and then in 1's place how many bits were there? 2. So 2 ones. So you have to write 2 like this. Okay, you have to look after here. 4 after how many digits were there? 2 digits. So you have to put 2 0. 1 after how many digits were there? 1. So you have to put 1 0. And 2 after none digit is there. So you don't have to write. You don't have to put any of these 0 over there. Now our third topic is short forms. Short forms. You have written expanded form like that only. Short form is same as. If we do opposite of that, that is short form. We are doing expanded form 400 plus 100 plus 1. That is expanded form. We have expanded the short form of that. This one is short form, and then we have said that you have to expand it. This is expanded form. Okay. If I write it 500 add 200, sorry 20 add 2. How should I make it short form? You want to see, look after here. 5 is here is 2 and here is 2. You can directly write it as 5, 2, 2. It becomes short form. Our third topic is short form. Short forms. Short form is the opposite of expanded form. Okay? How we are doing expanded form? I have written 300 add 20 add 3. That is, this one is expanded form. Now I want to convert that in short form. How should I convert it? So I will look after here. Here is 3, here is 2 and here is 3. So I will write this 3 over here, this 2 over here and this 3 I have to write over here. Okay, as in abacus also, if I put on 3, you can directly write 3. You don't have to, because you have done this expanded form in 300. But how many bits are there? 3 bits were there. We are writing here 3. Then how many bits are here? 2 bits are here. So you have to write over 2. And how many bits are here? 3. So 3 I will write over here. One more example I am showing you. If I write 500 add, directly I will write 2. Then how should I write it? If I want to write this, how should I write it? I will just look after like this. Okay, in 100 place 5 is there, but 10 place is not given at all. If I say that here 3 is there and if I put over here 5, okay, in 100 place 5 because none bits were there. Okay, none bits were there. Then what should I do in tens place? I will put on 0 over here. Okay, and in ones place I will put on 2. Our next topic is symbol, means greater, smaller, equal. Okay, now here if I write here number 101 and I will put on here 110, which one is greater? You are knowing, as you are knowing that 110 is greater. But if you are not knowing how to find out, so I will write over 222 over here and 332 over here. Then I want to find it. What you have to do, again the same thing, what you are doing in ascending order and descending order. 100 place you have to underline which one is greater. You can say that 3 is greater. So you can easily find out. Right? One more example I am showing you. If I write 484, 448. So it looks same. If you find that here is also 8, here is also the same as. Okay? So you don't have to put equal because that is not same one. Okay? You have to find again the same thing you have to do, underline it. Here is 4, here is 4. Same as here is 8 and here is 4. Which one is greater? 8 is greater. You have to put on this sign over here. Now 400 blanks 400. As you are knowing that both were same. So you have to put on equal sign. Thank you.